Hi, to enable and disable auto blocker on Samsung Galaxy S25, then go in Phone Settings. From here, find Security and Privacy. Scroll a bit down, and here is your auto blocker. So, if you want to use some of the developers' options, such as USB debugging, for example, then you need to disable auto blocker just by tapping on the switcher, and in that case you need to either scan your fingerprint, use pattern, or just use your Face ID. I'm gonna scan my fingerprint, and now auto blocker is turned off, so I can easily enable developer options and from there enable USB debugging. If you wanna turn on auto blocker to keep your phone safe by blocking threats and other suspicious activity, then tap on the switcher so it will light up blue and now your phone is protected. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.